Okay, here we go. We are in Dhaka, Bangladesh as I speak with the amazing Reza, the taxi cab driver there. 60 hours of travel. But this is my host, Fasil.
Yeah.
Okay?
Faisal.
Faisal.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm still learning the pronunciation. Faisal. So Faisal has this place here in District 13
Uttara.
in Uttara.
Tell you that Bangladeshi people are very friendly, welcoming, and warm-hearted. They always like to welcome foreigners, and they treat them like a, you can say, king.
Like a family. Right.
Anywhere you go, you can check it.
So you see,
Anywhere you go.
when Marco gets lost, you don't have to worry because the Bangladeshis will just take me into their homes and take care of me.
Yeah.
Okay, they'll be glad to know that.
Yeah.
Because sometimes Marco's a little crazy. All right, it's time to play that wonderful game of the 80s. Those that are my age will know it. It's called Frogger. Here we go. Out we go into the middle of the... Oh my God. Ah. So now I'm out in the middle here of certain death. And I'm going to make it to the other side now, maybe. Whoa. People drive on the opposite side, much like England, Japan. America! Yeah. These are my new friends here. And and they're having a good laugh at me, and I have no idea. I think they're making fun of my pink stuff there. Okay.
What's your country name?
America!
America!
Well, it is true that the Bangladesh people are happy, very happy people. Now, I don't know about these chickens because there is a killing ground beneath our feet. Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh, there we go. And there's. And there it is. Okay, and so this is street food at its best. But we got, I think, the Muslim prayer going on right now. Best, and I've been told I probably should not do that. But at some point, you know, I'm going to have to dive in. It just probably won't be tonight because if I got sick after my first day in Bangladesh, that wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good at all. So, what's your name? That's a tough one. A lot of tough Bangladeshi names, Bengali names. Is it chicken? Is that chicken?
Yes, chicken and beef.
You know some English, just a little bit. Exactly. I agree 100%.
Yes,
Okay.
go. Yeah,